T-minus 5 minutes and counting.
Okay, Scooter, look, it's a great day to go fly. Enjoy the ride, pal.
Now suppression water system armed. T-minus 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
All this just to make some coffee. Was it worth it? Yes, it was worth it. I like my coffee strong, just like how I like my men. I mean, coffee. That was some extra strong coffee. So last week I was falling around and tried to board slide this rail just for the purpose of falling and creating this stupid intro. But it made me think actually board sliding a rail is not as scary as I initially thought. You just have to go for it. Nah, scratch that, I'm actually terrified. My hair is starting to really piss me off. There's two ways I can approach this rail. Doing the backside, or coming in here and doing the front side version. I don't know. I am more confident with my backside 180s. So I'll try that for now. If it's not working out, I'll switch to the front side. I think it would be easier to climb a nice flat rail. Unfortunately, all the rails in this park are slightly going down. My weight is too far forward, I'm slipping out like that. No!
Lollipop, lollipop, lolly, 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 lollipop, lollipop, lolly, 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 lollipop, lollipop, lolly, 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 lollipop. Lollipop, lollipop, lolly, 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 lollipop, lollipop, lolly, 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 lollipop, lollipop, lolly, 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 lollipop.
The part that I'm failing at is my body weight is over the board. It needs to be centered with the board. I don't know what to do after. Oh, whole rotation. Yeah, she's here. It was at this moment where I took a massive slam. Unfortunately, my camera could not capture the moment as it overheated in the baking sun. My quest continues tomorrow. I normally ride everywhere, but I'm so destroyed today. Okay, today I'm gonna try something that's more in my league and try and board slide a curb or a ledge. Maybe the rail was a bit too advanced for me. So I went online yesterday to ask for some board sliding tips and got some very useful feedback, which I'm gonna try and utilize today. And I'm giving myself a 1 to 2 hour time frame. If I don't land it then I will quit, because the more I try, the more tired I get, the more likely that I will make a mistake. A fatal one. If I can't slide this, I'm screwed because I'm going to have to go back to the rail. part I'm struggling with now is pivoting out. So close yet so far.
No.
Game over. I may have failed at landing the trick, but I still consider the last 2 days as a success because now I'm closer to landing a board slide than I ever was before. I honestly think that I can land the board slide. I just need a lower rail and preferably a flat one. Anywho, thank you guys for supporting me, providing me with tips and watching this video. I'll see you very soon actually. I'll upload this today, Wednesday, and my next video will be on Sunday.